All right, quick recap before I go hang out with my friends. We're just going to discuss today's FOMC trade. Did not trade in the morning, but we we basically maxed out for the day, right? I didn't have 5 trades, so I'm curious where 5 trades came in from. Bro, I did not trade 5 times. Oh, it's because I put in the wrong amount of contracts twice, so I had to remove some. But all right, cool. So we had news come in at 2 o'clock with 2 p.m. FOMC. That's when the event started. Right, shot up immediately, retraced. Could have gotten in there, wanted to get in there. Came back down. Kind of perfect for me. That's the setup I'm looking for, right? We had a huge amount of volume. Came back in. I'll move myself over here a little bit. Came back in. Whipped up. See, like, I missed that one, and I thought I needed more confirmation. Huge candle came in again. I was really just looking for this to get inverse right here. I was looking for this to get inverse, and I was probably going to get in as soon as that candle closed above it after this retrace. So this is the 1 minute. All right, so issue here was that, like, there was no 5-minute break of structure, right? There was no 5-minute break of structure until we hit here, like either this level or this level up here. So at that point we didn't hit. Oh no, I guess we did, right? So it wasn't. This is a setup like I definitely should have taken, right? This was obviously 6 hours ago. So came back in, inverse, same candle was a fucking Diddy candle. So it's like, what else am I gonna do? Came up. That's when I didn't. I such a huge candle that I didn't get in again because I was waiting for it to dip right back down. And came up, dipped in. New candle opened, entered right here. Okay, so that was right here. Now I lost this one. We had touched a ton of liquidity down up high recently, so there's a lot of liquidity go short right now. Press conference with Powell was very bullish. He said a lot of shit that is going to make the market move. Didn't get baited. Didn't allow himself to get baited. And there wasn't any mention of, I don't think there was any mention of Trump picking somebody new. So, anyways, came down in on the retrace right before Powell started talking, and that's what I should have waited for, and I'll know that for next time. Lost that trade. Good setup, bad situational awareness of that. But then we came in, and I had gotten in right here. And pretty sure right there, right? And this is my stop loss down here. This trade on my left was 3 contracts. This was, I want to say, 1 full mini, right? And I got into I'll do it later. Okay, I got in right here. I mean, I TP'd right there at 8:33. So huge trade, right? 266, but also A plus, right? We talk about that 5-minute broke structure again, came down 5-minute, came up, inverse that gap, and or looked like it was gonna inverse that gap. It didn't actually. So really, should I have taken it right away? Probably not. But I could see the momentum coming. Came down, touched 3 times with like those dojis, right? So then spiked, and then I got it right before it spiked up. So I'm happy about it. But other than that, I had a Spanish final today, and yeah, successful, right? Decent final. Looking forward to going home and not having to worry about school, get all that stress off my shoulders and shit. So yeah, looking forward to it. So all right, looking forward to tomorrow's trades.